In Ohio, health officials were puzzled by a sudden increase in pneumonia cases among children. After thorough research, they called a press conference to address the public's growing concerns. The leading expert, Dr. Sneeze, a rather unfortunate name given the circumstances, reassured everyone there's no link to the outbreak in China. However, we've traced the source to something closer to home. Everyone leaned in, expecting a scientific explanation. Dr. Sneeze cleared his throat and announced, "Turns out, the kids were trying to avoid school by competing in a who can fake the best cough contest. The winner, ironically, is now on bed rest with real pneumonia."